Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can elevate your video quality using the AI Repair on the Wing app. So here I've already on the Wing app homepage, and in the homepage you'll see AI Repair option. So by using this feature, you can enhance your video quality easily. So let's click on the AI Repair. Okay, so this is the example. This is the before and here is the after. Now you can just click on the try now options and then select the videos that you want to edit. Okay, so I've already selected the videos, and this is the suggestion for the Wing app, best solution for you. You can see that it will detect automatically what my video needs to repair it to become a next level video. You can see it's enable the quality restorations in a low intensity. Enable the super resolution, and it's also denoise my clips, my videos, and AI colorize my videos. So after that, you can always adjust it. If you don't like with the result, you can always adjust it like this. Okay, but if you like it, you can just click on the auto in here, and as you guys can see here, each day you got a free 3 credit to use the feature. So let's just click on auto, and now it will processing. You can just wait until it's done. Okay, so after the process is done, you can see the before and after to make a comparison. So this is the before on my clip, and this is the after. You can see that the color now pop up more, and it will also have a better quality, not blurry like before. And here you can just click on save at the top to save the result. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.